So what is going on, guys? My name's Jamie, welcome back to Officially Gas. Now today I'm heading up to Royal Steering Wheels and I'm going to get a custom steering wheel fitted to the Golf R. This should be sick. As you can see, right now I just got the standard Golf R steering wheel. It looks okay, you know, black leather, you know, you've got a silver stitching, but you know, over the years, this car's like 4 years old now. You know, it's kind of, you know, it's got shiny due to the mileage or whatever, and it just don't look as nice as it used to look. So I'm not going to say exactly too much about what I'm getting. We'll get into that once we're up there. Also, I'll try and get some feedback from the owner to tell you like the process, help you guys make a decision to see if you'd want to kind of follow the same path. And yeah, we just take it from there. So it should be an interesting one. Stay tuned and let's get it.
Feniko.
Alright guys, so I'm here with Jack from Royal Steering Wheels. You're actually the owner, right?
Yes, that's right. I'm the guy who running the business, yes.
I basically come here off a recommendation. So many people get the steering wheels done by you guys. It's almost like you guys have got the whole steering wheel game on lock.
No, we still have we still have a you know, tough competition.
Oh, you still do?
Yeah, we do have.
Okay.
But this is our specialization, you know, this is kind of our like pride and joy, and yeah, we make sure we stay on top, and yeah, we do many different wheels, different design, as you can see on the table. Some of them in leather. Alcantara is quite a popular fabric.
Definitely.
And yeah, we just make sure we do them as good as possible.
Yeah, no, definitely. So guys, this is kind of like a range of the steering wheels they actually have here. These are actually customers' steering wheels that will be going on cars this week, obviously apart from this one. If we start with this one, this is kind of like an old one they had here, or one before being retrimmed. As you can see, it's all kind of beat up and all that. And this is kind of like the finished kind of product. And with this one, I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but it's like full Alcantara. Looks really smart with different coloured stitch in there too. This is actually going on an M2, so like, you know, again here I think this is another BMW M140i, as I've just been told by Jack. But guys, like their range is real cool. Obviously you can go for like the mix match of leather, like this one here, you see it's gone for leather, like smooth leather. He went for perforated here. He's actually went for the flat bottom, and these guys actually do, like, you can bring them around steering wheel, they make it a flat bottom. They also even put these little thumb grip bits on too if you want them. So I think their range is as far as I'm aware, their range, you could have like flat leather, like kind of smooth all the way around. You can have perforated leather all round if you wanted. You can have Alcantara all the way around if you wanted, or you can have a mix of all three. They also do like 12 o'clock stripe, which I think is real cool. It's quite trendy nowadays. You see a lot of people doing it, and it's proper race car. So yeah, and also like different colors, like, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, I thought it'd just be interesting to show you guys and tell you guys about the process here. So guys, here's my steering wheel. I'm absolutely blown away by it. I've kind of kept it quite subtle. I don't know how well you can see this, but basically what I've done is I've done Alcantara on the top. I've done the 12 o'clock stripe in black leather. I've done perforated on the sides. Obviously my car comes standard with a flat bottom, but also what we've done is we've made it a little bit wider, so the grip feels a lot more chunky now, which is sick. Obviously seeing it in this kind of state right now, you can't really make any kind of, it's hard to actually tell the quality of the steering wheel, how it actually look, but I will show you obviously after it's fitted. But also what you can see here is the stitching we went for. We went for blue on the outside to match like the outside of the car, and then we went for the silver to go with the rest of the interior's stitching, which I think looks really cool. Just kind of a little bit different, and something that's a little bit more personalized to my car and for me. So yeah, that's it. I'm sure people are gonna kind of slate me because I've put the Alcantara on the top as opposed to the side, but you know what guys, this is how I wanted it. Also, I thought if I put the Alcantara on the sides, there's not going to be a lot of Alcantara. You only have a little bit, as opposed to having quite a bit more, you know, done at the top and bottom. And I didn't want to go full Alcantara, and yeah, really like the perforated leather. So tell me what you think, let me know. But yeah, these guys, man, they're proper, man. Their work is second to none. It's literally, it just looks mint. I can't wait to get it on. But this was actually a steering wheel that had come off a previous Golf R. This is how they keep it rolling. So they basically take your steering wheel in exchange, and then they give you your new one, or the one that's being retrimmed in your style, and it's just like that. And basically, as I say, it's bare, but what Jack's gonna do here, he's literally gonna strip my steering wheel down and swap over all the components onto this, the flappy paddles and all the little bits and bobs. I'll catch that on camera too. Yeah, guys, just showing you a range of what they do. Again, Alcantara. This is, I'll just show you. Look, I'm not even gonna, like, you know what I mean? You can see for yourself. So we've got Alcantara blue, 12 o'clock, Alcantara yellow stitching, different stitching here, because this is going on the BMW. As I said, this has got the BMW colours here. You know, this one here is going on the BMW. It's got the orange kind of stripe. Like, they do a whole range of things. If look at this one, like, look at the colour of the leather. It's like white leather, perforated on the sides. This one's from like a brand new GTR. He's kept it real discreet. I think it looks real cool. Full Alcantara. I believe it's got the ivory interior, so he's got the ivory stitching. I'm not sure how well that picks it up, but yeah. And then he's went for a 12 o'clock stripe in black like myself. But yeah, they do basically, guys, they used to do like a cool selection of steering wheels. Like, it's real custom and down to yourself what you like. So yeah, I hope this has made it a little bit easier with the process and so on and so forth. And yeah, so we're gonna go and fit it now, so let's get it done. So guys, now as you can see, we've actually came in from the dark because it's so dark outside you can't really see. Jack's actually now put all the plastics back on it, so it's taking shape. He's put the shifters on it, so yeah, really looking cool. You know, yeah, pretty much complete until we obviously fit it. And this is the old one. Look at it. This thing looks like it come off Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. That's this thing looks so beat up. It never even looked that beat up when I used to have it on the car. But man, that's crazy. So that's the old one. And guys, look at the new one. Do you know what the thing is about these steering wheels, guys? It's one of them ones where, like, it literally is gonna feel like I'm driving a new car. Because you're always in the cockpit, like, your view is like straight ahead, or it's your steering wheel, isn't it? So you're looking at it all day. So just having something like this, I think that's gonna make a huge difference to driving feel, at least, like, you know what I mean? The pleasure of just getting out in the car, especially as it's kind of like a little bit more racy. So yeah, guys, as I say, let me know what you think of it. I'm sure there's gonna be people who hate it. It's gonna be a Marmite one, but you know what? I love it. I love it, man. This is exactly what I asked for, and he delivered, man. He delivered. But look at this old thing. Jesus Christ, that looks bad. Guys, also what we've got here is like a selection of all the color stitching. So literally, like, look at that. Like, don't know how well the camera picks it up again, but you literally, what you want, they got it pretty much. And which surprised me too is all the different colors of Alcantara you can get. So they're all of these colors here, all these Alcantara colors, they're all available pretty much. We've got some leathers here too. He doesn't stock all of them, you know, some of them are special order, but this is kind of a selection of leathers that, you know, are possible if needs be. But yeah, A wide selection, guys. A wide selection. So guys, look what else we got here now for a bit of comparison, because obviously people with Golf Rs like must love changing up their steering wheels, because we've got 4 Golf R steering wheels right here. So we've got a full Alcantara one, which people love to go for, more of a race car look. This is a lighter kind of Alcantara, kind of a dark grey. And then we've got another full Alcantara Golf R steering wheel with the blue 12 o'clock stripe. I think it looks really cool. It's went for the blue stitching with this one. But again, full Alcantara, race car kind of look. And another one right here, full Alcantara. This again is the black Alcantara with a dark, well, yeah, same as the other one, a dark blue racing stripe there. But also, they've went for the silver stitch in here. And just as a comparison to mine, and if I'm honest, I think mine looks a lot better, guys. Let me know what you think. I might be being biased, but look at that, man. That's how that looks, man. Come on, guys. Alcantara on the top, racing stripe, 12 o'clock stripe, sorry, perforated leather. Come on, and the stitching. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm so glad I went for this. So guys, as you can see, steering wheel's fitted up now. It's so dark, so sorry about this, you can't really see it. I'll get some better pictures and I'm sure you'll see it in other videos, but as you can see, man, I am over the moon with it. The stitching looks spot on, you know, the Alcantara, oh mate, it just feels sick. So yeah, man, that's it, and that's pretty much the process. So yeah, well happy, and it's so quick, like 10 minutes swapped over straight, like, yeah, man, sick. So yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today. I just wanted to kind of show everyone the process of kind of getting your steering wheel retrimmed. For me, at least, I thought it was kind of a bit of an in-depth kind of procedure. But as you can see from today, there's nothing to it, you know, pretty much order what you want, turn up at the shop, a week later, they swap it over and it's done. So guys, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.